A cluttered home can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress, but there's a simple solution. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, thanks to a well-organized home. This can be achieved with the help of a versatile tool called Velcro, which can be used to secure various items in place. From keeping cords and cables organized to securing heavy objects on walls, Velcro is a game changer for home organization. But before we dive into the world of Velcro, let's take a step back and understand the importance of home organization. A cluttered home can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress, which can have a ripple effect on our mental and physical health. In fact, studies have shown that living in a cluttered environment can increase levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. So, how can we create a peaceful and organized living space? The answer lies in the power of Velcro. Velcro is a type of hook and loop fastener that consists of two parts, a loop and a hook. The loop is typically made of a soft, fabric material, while the hook is made of a stiff, plastic material.
When the loop and hook are pressed together, they form a strong bond, allowing them to hold objects in place.
But that's not the strangest part. Velcro can also be used to create a sense of depth and dimension in a room. For example, you can use Velcro to attach a shelf or a picture frame to a wall, creating the illusion of a larger space. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that Velcro can also be used to organize my kitchen utensils. With Velcro, I can easily attach my utensils to the side of a cabinet or a wall, keeping them within easy reach. This phenomenon occurs when we use Velcro to our advantage, creating a system that is both functional and visually appealing. In fact, using Velcro to organize my kitchen has increased my productivity and reduced my stress levels. So, what does this mean for you? It means that you can also use Velcro to create a more organized and peaceful living space. Real-world consequences of using Velcro include increased productivity, reduced stress, and a sense of accomplishment. But wait, until you hear what comes next. Velcro can also be used to create a sense of community in a shared living space.
Imagine being able to hang a shared calendar or a to-do list on a wall, using Velcro to keep it in place.
Same page, and then something unexpected happened. I discovered that Velcro can also be used to create a sense of whimsy in a room. For example, you can use Velcro to attach a fun or colorful wall hanging, adding a touch of personality to a room. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? It's that Velcro is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used in a variety of ways. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and hit the like button to show your support. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and let me know what you think about using Velcro for home organization. By using Velcro to our advantage, we can create a more organized, peaceful, and productive living space. And that's the power of Velcro, a simple solution to a complex problem. So, what are you waiting for? Start using Velcro today and see the difference for yourself. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.